Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check multiple pages indexed in Google. So this one is the website and here you can see these are the different pages. Now I can copy website link and add here. Then I can copy these links and then add here one by one. Then for next, okay, one link more, this one. So now I have these 4 links. Here you can go and type check multiple web pages indexed on Google. Here you will get different tools websites that lets you check your website indexed or not. So let me recommend you a website. You can type this one, DML training, and after that now we can open this website. Here you can find out different tools. Click here, index checker. Now let me scroll down. So you can easily check maximum 27 links. So I can copy all of these links from here and then add these links here in this box. Then click here, check index status. Then scroll down. And it is still checking. Within few seconds you will get a complete result. Either your page is indexed or not. Here you can see one link is indexed and 3 links are not indexed.